Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the assistant professor vacancies as well as the ad hoc faculty vacancies from the government college as well as the private university, guys. And here, the candidates who qualified for the PhD, 60,000 rupees per month is available, and only postgraduate without UGC NET or without PhD, you will get the 50,000 rupees per month. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity, guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Coming to the present content of the video, so here you may check down. The first one is the Geetham, deemed to be university from Hyderabad campus. So applications are invited for the following positions, and here the assistant professor vacancies are there. So here the multiple departments are there. First we will see the departments, guys: engineering, management, humanities and social sciences, architecture, science and pharmacy. Okay, so these are the different departments, guys, and let us check the qualifications and experience. So for engineering, aerospace engineering, civil, transportation, soil mechanics, water resources, and computer science and engineering, data science, IoT, artificial intelligence and machine learning, image processing. So here the qualification required is MTech first class in UG as well as the PG. So no need of UGC NET and no need of PhD here. So 2 years of experience is required. Coming to the management in finance, accounting, operations, QT and ACM, marketing, general management and economics, business analytics. So PG and PhD, both these two are mandatory for the management side. So 2 papers or case studies in NIRF recognized journals. And coming to the humanities and social sciences, English, media studies, psychology, political science and sociology. So PG degree in relevant discipline, PhD is preferable. That means they are not asking the compulsory PhD. It is preferable, so no need of UGC NET and no need of PhD. So if you are having the post-graduation degree in any one of these departments, then you may apply with 2 years of experience after post-graduation. Fine. Next, coming to the architecture, only bachelor's as well as a master's with first class and experience as per the COA norms. Coming to the science, R programming, data analytics and Python programming. Qualification required is MSc, computer science or MCA. PhD is preferable, it is not essential one. So 2 years of post experience after post graduation, and fresh PhD candidates can also apply. Coming to the pharmacy, pharmacology and pharmacognosy. So here the PhD and PG, both these two are important, and 2 years of teaching experience and 2 years in NIRF recognized journals. Okay. And coming to the lab technician, pharmacy, D Pharm, B Pharm or BSc or MSc with biology or chemistry as one of the subject, 1 year of experience. BSc degree holders 2 years. Okay, I mean BSc holders must have the 2 years of experience. The candidates who are interested and eligible for these posts, the applicant can submit resume through the email to admin@geetham.edu within 1 week from the date of advertisement. So we got just today itself, guys, this advertisement. So please try to apply as early as possible. It is just a matter of 1 or 2 minutes. Just forward. If you are having already resume, just simply forward your resume to this provide mail ID with clear subject. Okay, and with clear some body of the mail, you just put this, and it is a contact number. So if you are having any queries regarding this advertisement or else this vacancies, you may just contact these numbers, guys. Fine. So these are the details regarding the assistant professor vacancies in the Geetham, deemed to be university from Hyderabad campus. Second one is the ad hoc faculty recruitment, guys. It is from the National Institute of Technology. So I think all of you are very well aware about this NIT Warangal from Department of Civil Engineering. So this vacancy is only specially for the civil engineering candidate, guys. So ad hoc teaching faculty positions for the even semester of academic year 2020-21. So applications are invited for ad hoc teaching positions on temporary basis in the Department of Civil Engineering. So essential qualifications, PhD or MTech. Here PhD is not mandatory, guys. PhD or MTech. So if you are having the UG and PG with first class, then try to apply to this one, guys. And with specialization, environmental engineering, waste management, water resources engineering with first class degree at the BE or BTech and ME or the MTech levels. Coming to the pay package, 60,000 rupees per month for the PhD holders, 50,000 rupees per month for the PhD submitted or else the ME or MTech holders. So how to apply means here the Google form is there. So just click on the Google form here. I will provide all the necessary links regarding this NIT Warangal as well as the Geetham University links at the end of the description box of this video, guys. So it is a Google form. You need not to pay any type of application fee, guys. So you have to submit all these details, whatever they are mentioning here clearly, and then click on the submit button. Fine. So here so many details are there. So please try to apply with patience. And if you are having any queries regarding this one, the contact number is also mentioned there. Okay, fine. Next, so all the relevant certificates along with the filled in applications are to be attached with the Google form as a single PDF file. So the last date is April 15th, 2021, evening 5 o'clock, guys. That is the last date, and no separate call letters will be sent to the candidates. All eligible candidates for attending the interview will be notified on the institute website itself on April 19, 2021. Okay. Next, all the notified candidates will be interviewed online on 22nd April 2021. More details will be updated along with the eligible list for interview on the institute website itself. Okay. Selected candidates will be informed by email and they are expected to join immediately. So if you are ready to join immediately, then you may apply this. So it is a format of application is also given here. So once please check down. Okay. So I think at the time of coming to the interview, you have to bring this application form. But as if right now, before April 15th, fill up these details, guys. Okay, in the Google form, and then click on the submit button. Your work will be done. Okay, fine, guys. So these are the detailed advertisements or the notifications from the Geetham Deemed to be University as well as the National Institute of Technology, Warangal. So if you are having any queries other than this one, then please put your query in the comment section of this video, guys. You will find all the links at the end of the description box of this video. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments and who are looking for such type of opportunities. So give one like, guys, and put some comment. If it is good to you, then put it's a nice video or something like that. Okay, fine. So the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here an announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide